Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. An apple, every day, eliminates the need for a visit to the doctor, a saying we have always repeated in talking about the benefits of this fruit and its role in health protection. However, it is time for apples to replace an avocado that is rich in healthy fats. In the following, 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. 1. Maintain weight. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Eating healthy fats, avocados, for example, along with other nutritious nutrients, helps maintain a stable weight, as diets that include a type of fat and other nutrients have been shown to be healthier than others. 2. Regulating the metabolism. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Metabolic syndrome is a group of conditions: increased blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fats around the waist, and abnormally altered levels of cholesterol or triglycerides, which together increase the risk of heart disease, stroke and diabetes. Metabolic syndrome is described as a silent killer that doctors warn against, as most of the disorders associated with the syndrome are absent, although a large waist circumference is a clear sign. In this context, eating an avocado daily helps to stabilize the metabolism process, as the healthy fats that this fruit contains prevent the metabolism from stopping after eating a meal. 3. Reducing hunger. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Perhaps the preferred way to prevent midday fatigue and hunger is to eat a balanced meal that provides lasting energy and slow digestion. In this context, avocado, due to the healthy fats in it, appears to be very saturated. 4. Boost the immune system. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Avocado provides vitamins A, C and E, thus it boosts immunity, and helps avoid some diseases and annoying colds, by helping the immune system to fight the bacterial attack. 5. Resist inflammation. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Avocados contain a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, and the compound in question has been linked to lowering inflammation, according to studies. Knowing that inflammation is more than just an annoying swelling, it is the cause of many chronic diseases, including Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even cancer. 6. Prevention of diabetes. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Diabetes prevention occurs when blood sugar is regulated by eating healthy foods. Avocados are very effective in this context, as one study analyzed the difference between the blood glucose levels of subjects in the research sample, before and after lunch. A group of half an avocado was given with her meal, while this fruit was not offered to the second group, which was satisfied with the same meal. In conclusion, it was found that the group that ate avocados did not experience a significant fluctuation in blood sugar after eating. 7. Reducing cholesterol. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. The fatty acids in avocados reduce bad cholesterol and promote good cholesterol in the body. The good cholesterol continues to lower the bad type, so healthy fats are the preferred way to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 8. Healthier food. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. If you eat a nutritious food, but without a good absorption of any of the nutrients in it, will it still be nutritious? In short, when not absorbed, all nutrients will be excreted with waste, which requires eating this nutritious food, accompanied by some fats, in order to be absorbed during the digestive process. The avocado provides these fats, along with the same fat-soluble vitamins. Therefore, not only does this fruit give its intake a lot of nutrients, but it also makes any other ingredient you eat healthier. 9. Promote digestion. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. In addition to the healthy fats and the amount of micronutrients in an avocado, it is packed with fiber. It is known that fiber is not digested by the body, meaning that it passes through the digestive system and helps to clean it. An avocado contains more than half of the recommended daily value for fiber. 10. Reporting to the brain. 10 reasons to eat avocado every day. The brain uses 50% of body fat. Avocado is an important brain fuel, and nutritionists are advised to eat it before an exam or anytime you want to stimulate the performance of your brain. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.